dam pone bangso apiruthe dam lote wangwe tong te pukhila lek thepi inut asam alongri karbiang long angkang pipen tun sepi ang bongpen anong nga thang nei alang lita inut helu lunjir pen khaya phan kang thur lunjir pen arnam anong kapethe lunjir pen aning kiduk atuma phan aning kapethe thu lapen lunjir pen lahin kaching hon nason thek ponlong lapen arju ponlong labangso alun jumesen lapen alam the jumesen puchini si inut asamis akhe pen sangpi plabita bordoloi saikya pen puthot labangso alun jir kilun thu pen pini district press club of karbianglong asahem along sangpi pukhela lek thepi arereng pen ing pupon thulo labangso alun kang pualong sonju bora senior pherangke pen mejari pon si alhiman peng pen kachetong dun lai chaningleng HPCF chairman lapen Dhiraj Dipusa HPCF secretary general atum chetong dun